Making great coffee can be so simple. Just a slow drip of water and an amazing transformation begins. Through this maze of coffee, the drip develops into something incredible. Cold brewed coffee is deliciously smooth and naturally sweet. It's less acidic and less bitter than hot brewed coffee and pairs beautifully with cream. This is Cold Brewer, a simple and transparent way to make cold brewed coffee. We believe that when you're involved in the process, the coffee simply tastes better. It doesn't have to be complicated or technically challenging. In fact, we found this brewing method to be very forgiving. There's an immense satisfaction that comes from creating something of your own.
We love the feeling of building anticipation in the slow drip cold brewing method. Drip by drip, the satisfaction from that cup of cold brew is multiplied.